guys, 2008 BMW M5. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 99.2. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to show you the undercarriage and what we're going to do to it. So we got this M5, guys. I'll let you guys hear it. Let me show you what it looks like under there. These M5s come with double the mufflers, 2 on this side and 2 on this side to quiet the beast. So we're going to do a muffler delete on it right there and install these beautiful tips. Anytime you get the M5s, you have to replace the tips. You see how wide apart they are, so you have to have them already wide out and everything. They're going to look really nice on it. They're made by MZS. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for them. And then we're also going to delete the resonator right here and put 2 pipes in its place, because it's already got an X pipe on it right there under that piece of metal right there, center support. And then it's got 2 cats there and 2 cats there. So that's what it looks like. If you guys ever wondered what an M5 underneath looks like, that's what it looks like. Total of 4 cats, a resonator, and 4 mufflers, which is insane. But that's how they get it to be so quiet. Stay tuned, guys. We'll show you after we're done with it. Hope you guys like it. BMW M5, which was one of my favorite cars back in the day. Really nice car. Quick too. I think they push like 500 to 600 horsepower. I'm not sure. Factory converter. Then secondary converters right there. Then a baby X pipe right there. Or H pipe. I can't see because of the cross member on it, but it's okay. So we did a resonator delete right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. We took the 2 mufflers off there and added 2.5-inch pipe in their place and finished it off with MKZ dual tips, quads. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it, right there, and there's the resonator that was on it that we took off. So we took all that off, gave it about a 100-pound weight reduction on it. So it gained probably another 10 to 15 horsepower by just weight reduction, as you guys can see. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it and hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. BMW M5, fully straight pipe. Sounds so much better. Very nice. Here's sound decibels. 121, guys. That's insane. How's the days before the rev limiter? That's perfect. Got a mean idle to it too. Isn't that idle? Wow. Absolutely perfect. Those tips look perfect on it too. Don't you guys agree? If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our phone number. Give us a call if you have any questions. Oh, what a beast. That's a good sounding car, man. Wow. M5. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here's sound decibels. Right at 99.2. guys, stay tuned. We're going to show you the undercarriage and what we're going to do to it. Sounds so much better. Very nice. Here's sound decibels. 121, guys. That's insane. How's the days before the rev limiter? That's perfect. Got a mean idle to it too. See that idle? Wow. Absolutely perfect. It is a true M5, guys. It's got the fenders and all. So I want to let you guys know that. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like under the hood. M5 V10. Woo! And it's all its glory. Wow. And that engine's just stuffed in there. That's why I used to like them back in the day, man. They were the quickest thing on the road. So much fun. Just want to let you guys see that. It's got a V10. That's why it sounds so different, you notice, than anything else.
BMW M5 straight pipe.